morning, students. After vacation, we are going to again continue with the laws of indices. Now, we are going to learn laws of indices. We had learnt multiplication and division of indices. Now, this is here the meaning of a raised to 0. If a is not, that is the base, a is not equal to 0, then a raised to m upon a raised to m, a raised to m upon a raised to m. This is like division of indices. A raised to division of indices, we have learned what? A raised to m upon a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n in this form. Or we can say that a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. In this form we have learnt division. So, this a raised to m upon a raised to m will be equal to, as according to the laws of the division of indices, it is a raised to m minus m. That is equal to, as a raised to m minus m is equal to 0. So, therefore, any number raised to 0, the value is always equal to 1. Here also you can cancel and get it as 1. So therefore here a raised to 0 is equal to 1. This is the law. So according to this law, see any number raised to 0, 5 raised to 0, example I have taken, is equal to 1. Minus 8 raised to 0 also equal to 1. Minus 2 by 5 raised to 0 equal to 1. 3 by 8 raised to 0 equal to 1. According to the law of a raised to 0 equal to 1. Now we go to the next law, that is the meaning of a raised to minus m. If it is a raised to minus m, then what is the value? A raised to minus m is equal to a raised to minus m into 1 I have taken. Because any number multiplied by 1 will be equal to the same number. 5 multiplied by 1 equal to 5. 10 multiplied by 1 equal to 10 only. So its value doesn't changes. Therefore, I have taken as multiplied by 1. Now, 1 value is equal to as. According to this law, here 1 value, this is 1 is equal to, I can, instead of writing 1, I can write a raised to m upon a raised to m. So, in the same manner, instead of 1, it is written as a raised to m upon a raised to m. Now, this is like, this is a rational number multiplied by this number is multiplied by the rational number. So, numerator into numerator I have multiplied upon denominator. So, a raised to minus m into a raised to m upon a raised to m. This is like multiplication of indices. Multiplication of indices, a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to as what? It is equal to as a raised to m plus n. Using the same law here, it will be a raised to minus m plus m upon a raised to m as it is. Now this minus m and plus m cancels. So it is equal to, nothing is remaining here, raised to, so a raised to 0 it is. A raised to 0 upon a raised to m. Now we know that a raised to 0 is equal to, value is equal to as 1. So this is equal to 1 by a raised to m. Therefore, a raised to minus m value we have got it as 1 by a raised to m. Therefore, this is the law, a raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. This is the law. So, therefore, here any number, example 5 raised to minus 4 is equal to 1 by 5 raised to 4. This negative power is changed to a positive power. Here negative power minus m is changed to positive power. Here also the same thing. 12 upon raised to minus 3 is equal to as 1 by 12 raised to 3. If the question is asked to convert the negative power to positive, then it will be in this form. So therefore here according to the law, a raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. According to the law, 12 raised to minus 3 is equal to 1 by 12 raised to 3. Now, come to next law. See here. A raised to m is equal to a raised to 1 by m. A raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. Now, that is because therefore a raised to minus 1, if I take here m as 1, so a raised to minus 1 is equal to 1 by a, because we don't write here as 1. It is not written. Therefore, a raised to minus 1 is equal to 1 by a. Now, a into 1 by a is equal to as 1. Both we cancel, it will be equal to 1. So, a into this value is equal to as what? A raised to minus 1. So, therefore, a into a raised to minus 1 is equal to as 1 value always. Therefore, a raised to minus 1 is the multiplicative inverse of a. So, we can say that a raised to minus 1 is the multiplicative inverse of a. Thus, the multiplicative inverse of 5 by 3 is 3 by 5. So, multiplicative inverse of 5 by 3 the whole raised to minus 1 is equal to 3 by 5. So, this is the law of indices.